Okay, so for our third lesson this week, we're going to try 3D trig, and I will say try because it's quite tricky. If you could draw a cuboid like mine and label it A, B, C, D for the front face, and E, F, G, H for the far face. And AB is 8. So this is 8. So everything, all these lines here are going to be 8. BC is 2.5. So it's 8 this way. BC is the height. So the height of it is 2.5. And C to G is 4. So the breadth of it is 4. And we're going to try to find AC, to the line A to C. We're going to try to find B, which is A to G. And then we're going to try to find the angle between AC and AG. So let's see how we got on. Let's start with the first one, AC. See if that's in the front face. So I'm going to draw out the front face so I can see it clearer. So it's A, B, C, D. The front face is 8 and the height of it is 2.5. And now I want AC. So that's not too bad, it's just Pythagoras' theorem there. So x equals 8 squared plus 2.5 squared and square root everything. So that's the first bit, wasn't too bad. Part B is A to G. This is where it takes a bit of imagination. Okay, if you look at A to G, so going A right across to G, can you see a triangle in here? A right across to G down to F. So A right across to G and down to F. And I'm trying to find this side here. G to F I know is 2.5. If you look, A to F is the diagonal of the base. So I'll go over to the side here and I'll work out the diagonal of the base. So this is the base. It does take a wee while to get these, to be fair, they're quite tricky. So I want A to F. So I'll just call that X. So X equals 8 squared, add 4 squared, and if you square root that, so we just on the calculator there, 8 squared, add 4 squared, square root your answer to give you X to be 8.9. So that's FA. Maybe I should use a different letter. I've used X there, I'll just call that Y. Okay, so A to F is 8.9. So over here, A to F is 8.9. Now I want X. Hopefully you can see there, Pythagoras' theorem. It's quite tricky. So I have this 8.9 in the calculator, just square it and add 2.5 squared. And then square root your answer to give you X equals 9.29 centimetres. Part C now. I'm looking for the angle between AC and AG. So if you're trying to pick out a right angle triangle in here, it's quite hard. A to C and then A to G. So A to C and A to G. So if you go A to C, I'm not really sure where the right angle is going to be yet. A to C and then A to G. So I'm linking these three letters, A, C, G. Right angle is going to be at C. So what I'm going is I'm going A to C. I'll do it this way. So I'm going A to C and then C to G is joined up with the right angle. And I want A to G. So A to C, A to G, and I'm looking for the angle between them. A to C, have we worked out anywhere? We did indeed. A to C was part A. So A to C is 8.38. A to G, we've worked out up here, 9.29. Very tricky. We'll not do too many of these because it might be too hard for you to be trying to do at home. So it's A and H. So it's cos the angle is A over h. So bring the cos over, inverse cos. So in the calculator, shift cos 8.38 divided by 9.29, giving you an answer of 25.6 degrees. So I would recommend you try that question again and see how you get on.